Hi, this is Meng from Google Studio. Today I'm going to show you that we can use software remotely using our video stream platform. Media Player, for example, is running on this computer and we stream this window to another computer. Not only we can see the software, but we can control it. I open this video and can pause, resume, and control the volume. You will enjoy full functionality of this software. This is thus a proof that we are actually streaming the window from computer on the right to the left. I moved my web browser over that media player. As you can see, the web browser in the window area is also streamed in real time to computer on the left. Now let's see another software. It's a 3D game using DirectX. The image is rendered by the computer on the right and streamed to the computer on the left. Again, you have full functionality of this game. It is done by transmitting the keyboard and mouse events back to the streaming computer. Please stay tuned and thanks for watching.